So which is more important, your mortgage rate or your mortgage APR rate? Well, let's start by differentiating between the two of them. First, your mortgage rate is going to primarily determine your mortgage payment. Now, technically, it is the annual cost of a loan to a borrower. APR is going to also show the annual cost of a loan, but it also factors in loan fees such as PMI, closing costs, any points and origination charges, so things like that. APR, however, does not affect your monthly house payment at all. So if APR doesn't affect payment, why is it so important? Well, since it factors in closing costs, it's a great indicator to the buyer of their overall cost of the mortgage. An example of this is if two lenders are both quoting the same rate, however, one lender has a higher APR, that means that lender could be charging more to do the same loan. And we've even seen it where one lender had a lower interest rate, but a higher APR because they were charging more closing costs. So, which is more important, APR or rate? Well, it depends on what's important to the client. If a payment is more important to the client, then typically interest rate should be the focus. If you're more concerned about overall cost of the mortgage, pay more attention to the APR. But the most important thing is to make sure you're working with a lender that can explain all of this to you and takes your information and situation into account as they are advising you. Now, one of the ways that we do this for our buyers is a purchase analysis, and that allows us to break down options for each of our clients, and we include a personalized video in each one of these explaining to them all the details of this to help it make sense. And if you've not received one from your lender, I'm happy to provide you one free of charge. More questions, let me know.